Title: Unlocking the Power of Social Connections. Making 500 Mutual Friends with Rehan Allahwala. In this engaging video, we delve into the art of expanding your social circle, with the guidance of renowned social media influencer, Rehan Allahwala. Discover the step-by-step strategies and insights on how to cultivate 500 mutual friendships on social media platforms. From optimizing your profile to initiating meaningful conversations, each technique is carefully crafted to foster genuine connection. But why aim for 500 mutual friends? Join us as we explore the significance of building a robust network, unlocking opportunities for collaboration, knowledge exchange, and personal growth. Don't miss out on this transformative journey towards expanding your digital community and harnessing the power of social connections, with Rehan Allahwala as your mentor.